Welcome guys. Today we're going to have a really quick video about the May 1st Thailand application updates. So let's get started. Thank you so much to our current and new subscribers. I really appreciate your support. As you know, I'm going to be traveling to Thailand again soon. So if you have any questions specifically about Bangkok, just please feel free to ask. I'll do my best to answer or to do some reviews about the places that you really want to know more about. And just drop any of the questions you have in the comments below. So what is changing for May 1st? First of all, the first thing that is changing is that the requirement for the ACHA Plus Alternative Quarantine Hotel has now been dropped, together with the RT-PCR test upon arrival and the Day 5 ATK test. So what that means is that you can now proceed directly to the accommodation of your choosing. It doesn't have to be an ACHA Plus hotel or you have to quarantine there for a day while you wait for your results. Number two, the insurance requirement has been dropped from $20,000 to $10,000 now. So these are the two major changes. What do you need to apply for your Thai Pass? So what you need is again the same. You need your passport and visa if you need one. You also need your vaccination card or certificate of vaccination, so that has not changed. And you need your insurance certificate for $10,000 as opposed to $20,000 as it was before. You do not need anymore the ACHA Plus or Alternative Quarantine Hotel requirement. We do not yet know how the new application is going to look, as the new Thai Pass application is going to be updated on April 29 at 12:01 a.m. Thailand time. And as soon as it is updated, I'm going to start working on making a video with the step-by-step instructions of how the new application process looks. So what to do now if you already have your Thai Pass? I wouldn't do anything right now because you can't really apply for the new one. Just keep the current reservation. With that reservation and your QR code, you shouldn't have any problems boarding the plane or getting inside Thailand. So keep that one. If you have enough time, I will give myself at least a week after April 29 if you're traveling a week later to Thailand so that you can go through the new application. Usually it takes 48 to 72 hours. It's been taking less than that for me, sometimes even a day before I got my pass. But I would just err on the side of caution and give myself at least a week just in case your application gets returned. Just make sure that you don't lose that flight. And again, I will put a video up as soon as the new application is up. So thanks again for watching. Again, please consider subscribing if you want new updates like this about Thailand. And if you have any new questions about Bangkok, I'll be there pretty soon. I'm pretty excited about the next trip. So see you guys again soon, and thanks again for watching.